Hi guys, this is our 20th video of our DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to talk about the question set 20. So let's start by the first question. Find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. This combined with the last video. I mentioned it because if this is watched by a new one, it didn't get it. Therefore I explain. Find the number of students who participated in the first term science subject. Okay, let's see. First term science subjects. Okay, let's start typing. Let's edit this like this. Okay, then I run the query. You can see 8 students participated in science at the first term. The next question is, what is the minimum score obtained by the first term students? Okay, let's write the query. Student exam mark record dot term ID equals 1. Then let's execute the query. You can see 10.5 is the minimum marks obtained at the first term by students. So let's go to the next question. The third question is, find the number of students who participated in the second term mathematics subject. Okay, again a count query. Select count second term maths. Let's add this E and also commas. Then let's run the query. Second term maths, 8 students participated. So the next question is, which subject got the lowest mark in the first term? Okay, select min. Okay, they are asking which subject, so we need to select subject name. Select subject name. Okay guys, here is the query. Select subject name from subject n in a join subject exam mark record. That means we in a join this table on subject ID equals in exam mark record dot subject ID. Then we make the where condition. In the where condition we make a subquery here, and all join queries, both subqueries and join queries are here. Student exam record, that means this mark record dot mark is equal to the minimum mark in the term 1. So this is the query. Then we got the subject name as science. Then the next question is, find the name of the student who got the lowest mark in all the subjects in the first term. Okay, this we have, right? Select select the student dot all subjects, so we don't have to type there again. So this is the query. Let's enter this. Qustion Rajamantri got the lowest mark in all the subjects in the first term. This is the end of my video, so let's meet in my next video guys. Thank you for watching.